Are you one of the many people struggling with constipation and searching for a natural, delicious, and effective solution? If so, you're in the right place. Today, we're whipping up a fiber-rich, tasty smoothie designed to support a healthy digestive system. This smoothie is more than just a drink. It's a natural remedy filled with ingredients like prunes, flax seeds, and leafy greens, known for their digestive benefits. Stay tuned to learn how to make a constipation-busting smoothie that is not only delicious but also loaded with fiber and other essential nutrients. The key to a good smoothie is, of course, the ingredients. Let's start with prunes. These wrinkly fruits are not just sweet and delicious, they're also high in dietary fiber, which aids in digestion and helps combat constipation. Next up, we have flax seeds. These tiny seeds are a powerhouse of fiber and omega-3 fatty acids, which not only boost your digestive health but also contribute to your overall well-being. Now let's talk about leafy greens. Whether you choose spinach, kale, or Swiss chard, these greens are a great source of fiber and are packed with essential vitamins and minerals. They're the perfect addition to our smoothie, giving it an extra health kick and a vibrant green color. Each of these ingredients plays a vital role in our constipation-busting smoothie, working together to keep your digestion on track and your body feeling great. Now that we have our ingredients ready, it's time to get blending. Making this smoothie is as easy as 1, 2, 3. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 5 ripe prunes, a tablespoon of flax seeds, a cup of your favorite leafy greens, and a cup of almond milk. Make sure to wash your leafy greens thoroughly to remove any dirt or grime. If you're not a fan of almond milk, feel free to substitute it with any other plant-based milk of your choice. Next, let's get to the chopping board. Roughly chop the prunes to make them easier to blend. Here's a quick tip. If your prunes are a bit tough, you can soak them in warm water for about 10 minutes to soften them up. Once you've prepared the prunes, put them in your blender. Add the flax seeds next. These tiny seeds are a powerhouse of fiber and can work wonders for your digestion. Then add your leafy greens. Whether it's spinach, kale, or chard, these greens are packed with essential nutrients and fiber to support your digestive health. Now it's time to pour in the almond milk. This will give your smoothie a creamy texture and also add in some additional nutrients. If you want your smoothie a little sweeter, you could add a ripe banana or a spoonful of honey. Finally, it's time to blend. Start your blender on a low setting and gradually increase the speed until all the ingredients are fully combined into a smooth and creamy texture. If your smoothie is too thick, feel free to add a bit more almond milk or water until it reaches your desired consistency. Pour your smoothie into a glass, add a straw, and voila! You've just made your very own constipation-busting smoothie. Remember, consistency is key. Try to incorporate this smoothie into your daily routine for the best results. It's a tasty and convenient way to increase your fiber intake and promote regular bowel movements. And there you have it. A delicious, fiber-rich smoothie that will help you combat constipation and boost your digestive health. So why not give this constipation-busting smoothie a try? It's more than just a delicious and refreshing drink. It's a natural solution to a common problem that many of us face. And the best part is, it's easy to make right in your own kitchen. Incorporating this smoothie into your daily routine can be a game-changer. It's packed with ingredients that help stimulate digestion and promote regular bowel movements. And let's not forget, it's also a tasty way to boost your fiber intake and keep your gut health in check. But don't just take our word for it. Try it out for yourself and see the difference it can make. Whether you're a seasoned smoothie maker or a beginner, this recipe is for everyone. And once you've given it a go, we'd love to hear about your experience. Did you enjoy the taste? Did it help alleviate your constipation? Your feedback is valuable to us and to others who might be facing the same problem. Remember, maintaining a healthy diet is key to a happy and healthy life. This smoothie is just one of the many ways you can take control of your health and feel better from the inside out. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more healthy recipes and tips. Thank you for watching, and here's to a healthier, happier you.